inside a factory, from harvest to pack. Chaka, the making of dried bananas.
Every batch of dried bananas begins with ripe, hand-harvested fruit from tropical plantations.
Only the sweetest, fully ripened bananas are chosen for drying.
Gentle handling prevents bruising and keeps the fruit in perfect condition.
Farm-fresh bananas are quickly transported to maintain natural sugar quality. Each delivery is inspected the moment it arrives at the facility. Only flawless fruit continues to the peeling stage. Multiple wash cycles remove dirt and surface microbes. Roller brushes polish the fruit before processing. Precision peelers remove skins with incredible accuracy. Clean, uniform peeling ensures even drying. Each slice is cut to a perfect thickness.
Laser sensors verify slicing consistency.
Even spacing ensures smooth airflow during dehydration.
Massive dehydrators remove moisture slowly and naturally.
Quality teams test softness and elasticity.
Moisture levels must meet strict product standards.
Cooling stabilizes the dried bananas before packaging.
Safety is our highest priority.
Human inspection ensures nothing is missed. A nitrogen flush locks in aroma and prevents oxidation.
Heat seals protect the product during transport.
Every pack is tested for airtight perfection.
Labels are printed with sharp, high-resolution accuracy.
Batch coding ensures full traceability. Automated scales guarantee uniform product weight. Final checks ensure premium quality reaches consumers.
Cartons are packed carefully for shipping.
Robotic palletizers speed up logistics with precision.
Stretch wrapping protects the product during movement.
Temperature-controlled storage keeps the product stable. Warehouse systems track inventory with digital accuracy.
Every pallet is logged before export. Products begin their journey around the world. Containers protect the product during long-distance travel. Distribution networks deliver dried bananas to global markets.
Bright golden slices show the perfect drying process.
Naturally sweet and beautifully textured.
A healthy, energizing snack ready to enjoy.
Concentrated sweetness in every piece.
From farm to factory, quality never stops.
Controlled ripening ensures perfect sugar levels. Ripening rooms fine-tune natural banana flavor.
Defects are removed before processing.
Even waste is recycled for sustainability.
Food safety is guaranteed through strict sanitation. Precision climate control ensures perfect results.
Strict hygiene rules protect product integrity.
Moisture is monitored constantly for safety.
Every step is monitored for consistency.
Technology and tradition work together.
Precision equipment requires constant calibration. Ultrasonic blades deliver cleaner cuts. Thousands of slices dry simultaneously. Infrared readings ensure no piece is under-dried.
Every batch is documented for transparency.
Natural sugars caramelize and we dream.
Dried slices move toward the final stages.
Vacuum tests guarantee airtight packaging.
Traceability connects each pack to its origin.
Automation boosts speed and precision. Inventory systems ensure first in, first out rotation. Security seals protect shipments in transit.
Paperwork guarantees smooth international delivery.
Air transport delivers fresh stock rapidly.
Distribution hubs supply supermarkets nationwide.
Retailers receive neatly packed fresh batches.
Consumers enjoy a nutritious, natural snack.
Presentation enhances brand appeal.
Dried bananas shine in everyday meals. A delicious boost to healthy recipes.
Color grading ensures uniform batches.
Only bruise-free fruit continues onward.
Trimming improves final texture.
Preheating starts the dehydration process smoothly.
Humidity control perfects the final chewiness.
Visual checks catch imperfections early.
Taste testing ensures natural sweetness.
Multi-head fillers maintain speed and accuracy.
Shaking machines settle product evenly. Shrink wrap secures cartons firmly.
Digital systems manage every stage.
Verification prevents shipping errors.
A modern facility engineered for efficiency.
Golden transparency shows purity and care.
Each pack opens with fresh aroma.
The perfect topping for daily nutrition.
This is the complete journey of dried bananas, from farm to pack.